today we're going to repair ECSF80F digital controller Sanyo 4-door freezer. And the issue is fan motor and compressor symbol is just blinking, always blinking. Compressor relay already engaged, but signal throwback, and that's the issue we're going to fix, guys. After the relay engaged, the signal back to blinking again, and that's the issue, guys. The product inside the freezer is stuck, and someone is repaired this control before. As you notice, guys, there is a wire here where the positive must sit under on top of the PCB, but they use wire. Hey, look, watch this. It's a rusty and bloated capacitor. Oh, maybe this is the issue. Let's try to find someone replacement, and let's see if the issue is solved. So the value, guys, is 35 volts, 1000 UF. And this capacitor have a polarity, guys. I'm going to cut the negative first, with the blue wire, and the positive, which is the brown wire. So just be careful with the polarity. And here I got a TV board here, and I got the same value. It's also an electrolyte capacitor, and we're going to pull this one and install. Power on. Seems to be the compressor because I believe it now. And the shield was simple as for the compressor. It's not blinking. Let's wait for the fan motor to be activated. Order to activate the fan motor. I'm going to put this ice together with the operator and sensor. See? Fan motor activates now. And let's get a check. Terminal number 19 is for the fan motor, and 20 is for the compressor. As you notice, the fan motor is now activating, and it's okay, guys. This is for the fan motor. Fan motor engaged now. And this is for the compressor. So the issue solved by replacing this electrolytes capacitor. So it's done, guys. Hopefully you learned something today again. Power off. And this sensor is for the evaporator, and this one is for the room sensor, and the other one is for the condenser sensor. So I just installed it, and I follow this diagram, and it's all done for now. Unplug.